DeAndre, don't do that.
Si ano, sayang, oh. Hindi pila. Kuya. Isa.
Siya din daw. Lapit mo.
Since our wonderful animal friends.
Put some nuts. You put it there. How about you put some nuts? Very good. Dre, that's your name. Very good. Yeah.
Oh, ganon. Yan. Pindutin mo mabuti. Okay. Yan. Oh, you put 3 daw dito. 3.
First mo po. Yan.
Sydney, ano na?
And so water. I don't know. You.
Yun. Okay, next. What about... No. Wow,
Go,
there's so
Sydney.
many animals.
I'll get one. Very good.
Stingray.
Stingray. Yes.
What
They
about
can
the
live
fly?
both in land, on land and in water.
Hanap ka pa.
Crab.
Camera. Yan.
Yun, na-capture din.
Oop.
How many fishes? Okay. Very good. Oh, okay.
And fruit.
Basket.
And fruit.
Okay.
Huh?
Sige.
You're holding a?
Oh, DeAndre, get one. Oh, lemon. Where is it? Pumpkin is pumpkin fruit or vegetable?
Very good. Number 1. Hi, what's your name? Hickory. Hello. You're going to... you want to go there? Okay, sige. Lagay mo na yung bag mo dyan sa likod ng chair mo. The mouse ran out of the clock. The mouse are trying.
Ayan.
Kaya na, kay kuya.
Kaya mag-atras ha. Huwag kang didila. Didila, hindi.
Aldous! Aldous!
Book na lang si Al. Tingin kay Kuya Jessa.
Uy,
Sean, si Aldous po.
Hi, good.
Okay,
Good. Okay, sa'yo eh. Smile. 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 Diretso nga.
Sa pasok ka.
Ayit natin.
Yeah.
Maano yun, no?
Sean.
Dito. Smile, smile, smile.
Smile!
Smile. Masaya dito.
Happy smile.
Hello, yan. Dito.
Kay Kuya Jess lang.
Okay, ready yan. Dito tingin. Kuya, dito tingin.
Sa circle.
Sa camera.
Dito lang tingin, Deandre.
Ganun na, hindi po.
Puro sit down flat. Mami, look! Meron yan sa
Dito sa bilog, sa bilog.
Flag ceremony ka.
Ang simple.
Flag is
Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. And all that she could see was the other mountain, the forest river and
careful ka
mountain.
lang ha. Baka
Ayun na po.
spread. Para ano, sa picture yun.
Sinat.
Nakakatawa, teacher. Good ba? Yay!
Maraming kamay.
Smile.
Pilitin mong magkatim.
Smile, kuya.
You're gonna share my flower.
Pwede. Yes, later you will
One
use this
more.
also.
Sa pa. Dito tingin. Dito.
Ang ganda ng smile ni Kuya.
So,
Smile ah, tingin ka.
yeah, marunong na siya.
Down. Ay. Sige po, isa pa po.
Hi! Kasi pag nakakado siya sa front camera.
Oh,
Yes! One more!
Stand up, stand up, stand up. Stand up. Half body pa lang kuha ko sa kanya eh. Stand up, stand up. Stand up, stand up. Aldo, stand up. Stand up. Sa gitna ng, sa likod niya yung ano po, yung ilaw.
Aldous! Aldous!
Ma'am,
Aldous!
pagitna mo po siya, ma'am. Pakuha po, ma'am.
I'll just stay there, stay there.
Stand up, stand up. Stand up.
Yes!